Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about seasonal makeup trends. So make sure to watch the full video. When makeup trends help us discover a new way to glide on eyeliner or a shade of blush we'd never considered, we feel excited and inspired. So we asked makeup artists to help identify this season's on-trend sweet spots, fun and eye-catching, but also completely wearable and easy to do. Carrie Blair, senior national makeup artist for Macy Cosmetics, is the first to say that the trends we see on celebrities, runways, and social media don't always translate to everyday life, but anything and everything can be modified. In fact, all of us should customize a trend to complement our features and personality. After working in this industry for over 27 years, my tastes and face have evolved. I always alter trendy makeup looks to fit my eye shape, skin tone, and mood, Blair says. One of the biggest ways to make a trend work for you is to play with the color, says celebrity makeup artist Molly R. Stern. This season's peachy hues can be as vibrant or as sheer as you prefer. Same goes for mermaid core makeup, the jewel tone trend that's going to be everywhere this season. For more on spring's best trends, plus pro application tips, read on peachy makeup. Few things in the beauty world are truly universal, but peachy makeup is one of them. Sweeping this warm tint on eyes, lips, and cheeks looks beautiful on all skin types and adds a subtle pop of color that feels approachable for any age, says Blair. The trick to making it wearable is to apply a sheer layer and blend it really well. I like to lightly dab Powder Kiss Velvet Blur Slim Stick in Sweet Cinnamon onto lips and cheeks for a romantic blur of soft focus color, recommends Patty Bales, Macy Regional Education Trainer. You can also use the Glow Play Lip Balm in Rouge Awakening, which is what's shown in this photo. Mermaid eyes. Mermaid core fashion, satin slip dresses, maxi skirts, and shell jewelry will be on trend this summer, and mermaid-inspired eyes are spiking in popularity too, says Kat Quinn, global trend expert for Macy Cosmetics. To create them, apply iridescent aquatic colors on the eyes. Think blues, greens, and purples. Jewel tone shades are super easy to wear no matter your skin tone, says Blair. You can easily dial down this look with a stroke of just one aquatic eyeshadow or eyeliner. Or for more pop, consider an eye paint, which offers a ton of pigment in one swipe and functions like a primer. So you can layer pressed powder shadows on top for a bolder and longer-lasting look, says Donnie Davy, the makeup designer for Euphoria. She suggests her own brand's Half Magic Beauty Chrome Addiction shimmer and matte eye paints. I like to apply a black or deep gray pencil on the eyelid before the bright, colorful eyeshadow, says Blair. This grounds the brightness and makes it more wearable. Sunburned cheeks. To be absolutely clear, this trend is not about getting an actual sunburn. Instead, it's a fresh way to wear blush, and it brightens the face, says celebrity makeup artist Vincent Oquendo. Layer 2 shades of blush on top of one another. You can apply a cream product. We love the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder Flushed, which is shown in this photo, followed by a powder formula to make the cheeks stand out and extend wear. He likes Haas Labs Color Fuse Blush, a very pigmented powder that's easy to blend. Tight liner for lower lids only. I've been saying this for about a year, and I'm sticking to it. The next big trend will be to tight line the lower waterline of your eyes with eyeliner, and then apply a wash of color on the upper lids, whether it's shimmery, matte, muted, or bold, says Davy, who adds that it's so simple to do. Just choose a color and blend it onto your eyelids. If you have hooded eyes or limited lid space, don't be afraid to sweep it right up to your eyebrows. Keep the color more concentrated near your lash line, and then sheer it out as you get to the brows. To make this look less dramatic, use brown eyeliner instead of black. Dewy, no makeup skin. Glowing skin is in this spring and summer, says makeup artist Jaleesa J. Karan. Not to be confused with perfect skin, this season's dewy-looking complexion isn't attempting to hide skin texture or concerns, adds Samantha Shakes, MAC Cosmetics Regional Education Trainer. Create the look with sheer liquids like tinted moisturizers, water-based foundations, and illuminating highlighters, says J. Karan, who recommends applying a moisturizer with SPF underneath your makeup to hydrate and protect skin. She loves Mary Kay Time-Wise Age Minimize 3D Day Cream. Iridescent makeup. The frosty makeup of the 90s is back, except this time it's way more iridescent and soft, says makeup artist Sarah Talias. Lean into the icy finish with shimmery shadows and blushes. Cream formulas are less likely to settle into fine lines or uneven texture, J. Karan says. Try Armani Beauty eye tints in liquid silver and flannel. If you're not ready to go full-blown Spice Girl, your subtle version is here. Add a bit of frost to your regular makeup look with a frosted lipstick, like MAC's Plum Dandy lipstick, Talia says. Or just tap a frosty gloss to the center of the lip. Colorful glossy lips. Lighter and brighter lipstick hues for spring isn't exactly groundbreaking, but this year they take a glossier turn. Bold and bright colors, like electric pinks and oranges with glossy finishes, are trending, says J. Karan. We're big fans of glossy magenta lips. When you're wearing these, keep the rest of your makeup light and soft for a polished look, says Blair. A well-groomed brow, a coat of mascara on lashes, and a sculpted cheek is the perfect backdrop for a deep, bright, or bold lip. Try Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Tinted Lip Oil, says Talias. It's the perfect way to add color while keeping lips moisturized and soft. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.